No.
engineers, something like that?
No.
No.
Well, no.
Clowns?
Yeah,
You got any clowns?
sure.
Some
Okay.
astronauts?
Yeah, why not?
If they're British.
Oh, I don't know.
The
Yeah,
astronauts.
that sounds good actually.
What
Mm-hmm.
about
Yep.
some? Yeah, you
Oh,
like that? You like the sound of that?
no.
I like it too.
No.
Hyenas. Everyone loves hyenas.
No.
What are they these days?
Okay.
So no, you want.
Yes.
What do you want? Some
No. Yes.
actors?
Oh,
Some actors?
hello. My name is Christoph Smith Arthurson, and I was
Oh,
wondering if you had any
actors.
actors lined up for me.
Actors.
Oh, I don't know. John Travolta, maybe?
No, we can't get
No?
John Travolta. No.
What about Leonardo DiCaprio?
No, we don't have Leonardo
No?
DiCaprio either.
Please?
No, it doesn't happen that way.
Please? Bad connection? I'm Christoph Smith Arthurson, and I'm a filmmaker. Ever since I was young, I've always wanted to make movies. My family had a tape recorder when I was growing up, and I used to make my own films. They were extremely low budget. Most of the time, I just held the camcorder up to the TV and taped whatever was on. Hi. I was wondering if Daniel had received my script.
I'm
Oh, he has.
sorry.
Oh, he's only read a couple pages. Well, that's all right.
Lost it again.
Oh, he lost it.
Sorry.
Well, that's okay too. I mean, I can easily send him another one, right?
No,
Let me just write his name down.
Please don't. I guess it's just can't be in the movie.
Daniel
No, it's
Day-Lewis.
Send him another copy. I'll be honest.
Okay, so I'll just send him another one and it'll be alright. Okay, tell him to keep
He doesn't
reading.
want to be in the
Goodbye.
movie.
Looks like Daniel lost another script. That guy. I'm just gonna send him another one. I'm here to prove myself as a director. I want to make one of the greatest movies of all time. I'm gonna put myself on the top with the big boys on my very first try. My movie is called Audacity, and it's about one of the greatest true conspiracies never told. Until now, of course.
Oh, it's a true story.
Yep. I've got lots of truth in there. Lots of truth. I even sprinkled some truth on top.
But it's a true story, right?
Hi. I was just wondering if you have any actors lined up for me?
Evan Grant Montalban
You do?
did for you.
I hung up on them. Just a second, please. Yes, I got my lead actor. He auditioned for the role and he was perfect. And the best part is, he says that he's an up-and-comer, so not only will my movie bring me into the spotlight, but it'll also bring a new person to the Hollywood scene. He'll be the next Tom Cruise. I just hope he isn't a Scientologist.
My name is Evan Grant Mondesanto, and I'm here to hone my skills while I wait for the Steven Spielberg to give me a call. That's right, the Steven Spielberg wants me to be in his movie called The Catholic Crew. It's about a group of Catholic mercenaries who take the law into their own hands. With guns.
It's funny, actually. I knew Evan from school, and he hasn't changed a bit. He's still acting it up. But I don't think he's waiting for a call from Steven Spielberg. I think that's just him acting.
Firstly, yes, I did know Christoph in high school. He was the guy who was always talking about 21 Jump Street. Second of all, I am waiting on a call from Steven Spielberg. He's probably going over my previous works right now.
And what are some of your previous works?
My previous works? Well, I was in a music video for the song Woman by Wolfmother. I played a down on his luck guy, trying to get some ladies. Then I was in a production of the George Bernard Shaw play Pygmalion, where I played 5 different characters, 2 of which were women. A short film called Grave. I played Vladimir Putin in an infomercial about cyberbullying, and was in 2 short-lived television series called The Adventures of Locker Boy and Me and My Clone.
So yes, after we found Evan, it made me think, what are we gonna do for a producer? And then I thought, well, why don't I just get somebody else I knew from school?
Hey, I'm Anastasia Beaverhausen. I'm the producer. I think that's because I'm the only one who has any money. Or a real job for that matter.
Yes, Anastasia is overseeing the project as she provided the budget. But the best part is, she's a lawyer too, so if we ever get any injuries or sexual harassment suits, she can represent us.
So what's in it for you?
Well, Christopher's just as handsome as I remember. And of course, I think the movie's gonna be big, fame, fortune, you know.
Hello everybody. Brought some coffee for you guys. Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
There you go. So, welcome to our first crew production meeting.
This is it?
Yeah, for now, but don't worry about it.
You're gonna need a lot more people than this.
Just calm down, Negative Nancy.
You know, as soon as Steven Spielberg gives me that call, I'm out of here. Just to let you know.
Steven Spielberg isn't gonna call you. He's too famous for you. Who do you think you are, Shia LaBeouf?
Shia LaBeouf.
This whole thing with Christoph making fun of me is starting to really piss me off. He keeps saying that Steven Spielberg isn't gonna call me, that I'm a bad actor, that my parents never loved me. This Catholic crew thing is gonna be my biggest role yet, and the whole thing is making me nervous. So, what's in the bag?
Script.
You mean scripts?
No, I mean script. I didn't have enough money for more than one.
Where'd you get the money for the coffee?
Well, after I made this one, I realized I wouldn't have enough money for coffee, so I had to make a decision, and I think I made the right one.
So you're saying you got us coffee instead of scripts?
Yes. Evan and I don't seem to be getting along as well as I had hoped. There's a little bit of a rivalry going on. It's kind of like Hobbs and Penhall in the fourth season of 21 Jump Street. Relax, relax. Have you ever heard of sharing? You can take the script for one night, and another actor can take it for another night, and you just alternate until you get it again.
That's ridiculous. And this coffee sucks. It's cold.
Guys, come on. Just be team players. Here, let me just show you this. Alright, this is Audacity.
That's all. It's like 1,000 pages.
1076.
How long is this movie supposed to be?
By my estimate, it'll be about 4 hours minimum. So, yeah, let's get started. You take half, and you take the other half, and just give me some feedback.
It says there's a space battle in this movie. How are we gonna do that?
Well, I realized we don't have the special effects for it, so I'm thinking we're actually just gonna film in space.
That's ludicrous. It says, how are we gonna get access to a Black Hawk plane? We go back in time to the 70s to kill the Bee Gees? Why?
This is brilliant and all, Christoph, but I don't think even with my budget we'll be able to get filming rights in the real White House.
Half these pages are blank. I thought this is a conspiracy movie. It says, we team up with R. Kelly in a dance party showdown with the Pope and J.K. Rowling.
It is a conspiracy movie. Guys, come on. I know you think it's silly now, but just...
It's stupid.
But guys, this is my vision. All throughout history, there have been people trying to bring other people down. They say, no, you can't make a movie about Jews. No, you can't make another movie with Pauly Shore. And to them, I just say, yes. Don't be one of those people.
Who? Which people?
I don't know. That was just kind of an assumption.
You don't even know anything about film.
Yes, like Steven Spielberg.
Name something by Steven Spielberg. No. Name a different director.
I could name a director, but I'm not going to because I don't think you know any. And by me naming some, it'll just tell you. Whoa.
I'm better than this.
So, do you have any feedback?
Oh no, it's wonderful. It's very creative.
Thank you. You say we have a huge problem? No, we don't. You say we have no lead actor? Well, we will see. Bought this phone today. New number. Hello, is this Evan Grant Montesando? Yes, I'm Steven Spielberg's assistant. I'm just calling to inform you that he has decided to go with Shia LaBeouf instead of you. Yes, he also told me to tell you that you should probably return to any work that you were previously working on because it's gonna be the best that you'll ever do. Thank you, and goodbye. Problem solved. So we're just about to check in with the composer of the film. His name is, Ronaldo.
My name is Ronaldo Bartimus Cardigan. I'm the composer for the film, but I only have one rule. I do not use synthesizers. They tried to kill me once.
Hi.
Hello, my name is Ronaldo Bartimus Cardigan, but my friends call me Ronaldo Bartimus Cardigan.
Ah, yes, very similar.
Really? I don't get that often. My enemies call me Desrodomondo the Tyrannist. Don't mix the two up. You'd be surprised how many people let it slip that they're my enemy by accidentally saying that name. So what can I do for you, brother?
Well, we're here to check on the movie soundtrack that you're creating for us.
Yes, of course. Yes! I wrote this song when I was drunk. It reminds me of ovarian cancer. Let's try this one. It reminds me of a huge boulder rolling towards a Jamaican fiesta.
I can see that. So we have our music. That's all I really have to say. Oh wait. Evan came back. Said he got a call from Steven Spielberg's assistant or something. Anyway, we're ready to start filming now. So this is it, our first day of shooting. We have our set, our actors, our director of course. But the only thing is I couldn't find a proper director's chair, so I had to improvise. But this does have an added feature, a cup holder, so hopefully nobody will notice the difference. Okay Ella, it looks like our co-star hasn't shown up, so you're gonna be promoted to co-star.
I just hold the microphone.
Oh what? You've always wanted to be an actress? Good. Alright guys, in this scene you two are huddled together. You're hiding in a forest and you're trying to keep quiet because the Nazis know that you've discovered that Hitler and Osama bin Laden are actually Siamese twins are hunting you down. The three of us are back together. Yep, well I'm aspired.
I'm quite aspired.
Say you're aspired. Just say it.
I'm not aspired.
Just say it.
I'm not aspired. I can't do anything.
Tell him he's aspired.
So you're aspired.
I can't do it. I can't. I just act. You're an actor. I can't. I'm not an actor. I can't.
I'm aspired. Oh, well, I'm glad to hear that.
Stop! I was a Nazi all along, and I'm going to take you back to Hitler, and if you don't cooperate, I'll take you by force.
Okay guys, that was awesome. Evan, I love you. I can't believe Steven Spielberg said you sucked. Okay, and that's our first scene guys, that's perfect.
I've completely lost confidence in myself. It's everything. I got a call from Steven Spielberg's assistant, and he said that I wasn't good enough for the part, and that instead of me, it chose Shia LaBeouf. I'm a man, I don't cry. It's hard. I fucking hate Shia LaBeouf. He shot me!
Look, I know he shot you, but it's in the script. It's all just pretend, man.
He actually shot me!
Oh. Did you actually shoot Evan?
Well, you handed me what I assumed was a prop gun, so I used it.
Look, Gene, you can't go around shooting people like this. It's not very nice. Look at Evan.
Oh, God!
He's in a lot of pain right now. Do you want to apologize to him or something? Yeah, so we have a little bit of a mix-up. Apparently, the prop gun was in fact a real gun. Just a little bit of a mix-up, but Evan has been hospitalized.
What are you doing giving me a real gun anyway? Who got this?
I did.
Well, where did you get it from?
I bought it off of a guy on my street who smelled like marijuana. I asked him if it was a prop gun and he assured me, faux show.
Well, if the suspicious back alley dealer says it was a prop gun, do you mind telling me where we got a real gun from, Gene?
What?
Yeah, so we've had to take a 2-week break while Evan recovers a bit. But I'm really worried about this. I don't like all this halting. There's too much halting going on. I've had to start taking stress pills, actually. Oh, and I'm planning on shunning Anastasia for a week and a half, and I've demoted Ella back to boom mic operator.
Christoph? Christoph, hey, you want a drink or something? Christoph.
Is that the Win or something? Oh, wait, the Win would know the difference between a prop gun and a real gun. So we're here at the hospital. It's been a couple weeks since Evan's accident. And we're here to pick him up. Hopefully we can start filming again, actually.
Hello? Hello? Are you serious? Uh-oh. Oh my god, thank you so much!
So yeah, Christoph tricked me into thinking I didn't get the part for the Steven Spielberg movie. And I got a call the other day. I did. So I'm out of here. Yeah, because Christoph is a dick. And if that isn't payback enough, I hope he doesn't mind the fact that his stress pills have been replaced by caffeine pills.
I'm so glad you reconsidered. What? No, I got a call. You called me before. Okay. I'm grateful. Thank you. I'll be there on Monday. Okay.
Hey Evan, it's nice to see you.
You told me that I didn't get the Catholic crew.
What are you talking about? I didn't pretend to be Steven Spielberg's assistant.
I didn't say you did. How do you know that?
What are you talking about? I didn't do any of that stuff.
I quit. Screw you.
Oh, hey, hi, hey, ha. How's it going? As you can see, I've given up filmmaking because I think panhandling is my true calling. My true calling.
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah. Fine, I'm fine. Yeah. I mean, I've had to start taking stress pills. Other than that, I'm good.
You look really bad.
I mean, I haven't slept in a week. I haven't slept in a week. Yeah, but other than that, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. But if you excuse me, I have to get back to my panhandling business. I think it's really about to take off. Excuse me.
We couldn't find another actor, so everyone left. It really affected him. My poor dear Christoph. I mean, that poor guy.
Ready for a guy? Yeah. Evan, what are you doing here? I thought you were off shooting a movie with Steven Spielberg and becoming a huge actor.
No, they finished filming about a month ago. Looks like it's gonna be another big hit for Steven.
Well, good for you.
Look, Christoph, the reason I'm here is because Anastasia's been calling you. She's really worried about you.
It's true, Christoph, I am.
No, get away! No, she isn't.
Look, first, she has a thing for you. Second of all, she doesn't like to see you this way.
What? No, she doesn't. Get out of here.
Look, that's besides the point.
No way, Jose. You just can't say ridiculous things like that. You're a racist and an anti-Semite.
Look, Christoph, I've spent 4 months with Steven Spielberg, and I know what it's like to want to make a movie that bad. Like you.
Are you saying you want to help me?
Yes. And damn it, Anastasia will help you too. Now look, you have to pay with your money too. We're not going to do this by ourselves. You have to contribute.
Well, I have about $40,000.
Oh, okay. Well, that's it.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, where's the camera? Of course.
And that, my friend, is why they call it a play.
Hey, there's Gene.
We need him for our movie.
Gene, you have to be in the movie again.
No, I don't want to be in your movie again.
Gene, don't make this difficult. Where's the tripod? Okay, so you're gonna be playing Dr. Skeletron. And what you need to do is you need to walk out this way. Gene has something to say, don't you, Gene?
Yes, I will gladly be in your movie again.
And you're
the fight epic. Very, very epic.
And action!
I am Dr. Skeletron!
Don't do it!
Don't do it! Don't do it! I'm a lumberjack from the future!
No! No!
And cut. That's a wrap, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love you, baby.
What are you doing? You don't look dressed for the premiere.
Whatever, I'm famous enough. People will recognize me. I just need my cool shades. And it's just a small theater. It won't matter.
I'm so nervous. I don't know what to do.
Want me to give you some advice?
Sure.
Just remember, just think of some of the people that inspired you. Think about how, at some point in their lives, they were right where you are. And that, look at how famous they are now.
Okay. Well, who inspires you then?
Well, that'd be Herb Weinstein. Before he died, of course.
Of course.
With his portrayal of Red Franz in The Return of the Satchel Snatcher. And Muhammad in Clowns for Breakfast. Who inspires you?
Well, I don't remember his name, but it was the guy that directed Biodome, actually.
Okay. Maybe you should just go with your gut instinct then instead of Biodome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I think it's my destiny to be a filmmaker. Ever since I was a kid, it's what I've dreamt of doing. I can't believe this is actually happening. I hope this isn't all a big dream, like those ones where you wake up in class naked or something. That would suck.
Steven Spielberg. I am the anti-pope! Oh, this summer. Get ready to say your prayers. The Catholic Road.